So Moto Joey 85, blurring the speedometer. There's a side of the vehicle. Very careful. Orange stage. Handled it. Non-issue. Move on. Going on with this one. We've got a side of the vehicle right there. Watch out. That person's taking our spot. Non-issue. Go ahead and talk to your buddies on a Cardo Pack Talk Bold or Slim or whatever it is you want. We got links in the description for a discount. So Moto Joey 85. Once again, now that was a big pattern that we should always pay attention to. Look at our lane. Wide open. That person's lane. Let's go back further. So our lane is wide open. Right here. Our lane is wide open. That lane is not. That lane is being blocked up by people. He sees a big gap. He wants to go in there. He just wants to go in there. He decides to do it. At this point, what we can do is progressively brake and squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And that is my go-to option. I don't want us to try to take the spot. Let them have it once they start, if it's safe to do so. And right now, it's safe to do so. Most of the time, it is. Very careful. Because look, we're going to have to brake anyway. So you could accelerate if you want, but now you're going to put yourself in a bad spot with a terrible space cushion up in front. So allow them to in. Go ahead and increase your space cushion behind by slowing down. And then move on with your day. Clueless Dutch biker. Okay, we got a side of the vehicle merging into our area. We should have slowed down. We never adjusted anything until last second. So how about we don't do that? How about we don't do that, everybody? I mean, class, like, what is it that we're trying to do here? Like, what are we doing here? Take a look at his speed. Take a look at his speed. 90, okay? 90, roughly 90, 90, 90, 90, 80, 85, 87, 84, 83, drop 10, okay. Drop 10, and then we start braking. When did we start to see this? We start to see this here. Go ahead and start braking a little bit more. You know they're going to be in your path of travel, and you know that you're catching up to them quick. Maintain that space cushion. Maintain it the best you possibly can. Don't get to this area and then have to honk the horn and apply the brakes. They're not going to accelerate quicker than you think. I looked down for a second and didn't even know what was happening. Okay, so that one, okay. All right, so this one too, it's making my beard hurt. So this guy had to swerve. He swerved at the same moment this person decided to go a little bit in their lane. This is why we need to plan our ride a little bit better, position ourselves a little bit better. And got himself out of there. Then we honked the horn because they're going to hear it after that. This is quote of the day right here. Quote of the day. He's blaming someone else for his own fear. Harry Offzo. Hey, Harry. Go ahead and grab yourself any donut you want. I did touch every single one of them after I licked my finger. Harry Offzo. Great quote. Great statement. He's blaming someone else for his own fear. That's what an insecurity is, right? That's exactly what an insecurity is. We're moving on with this one. Okay, so nice looking bikes, honestly. Really cool looking bikes. We're going to go ahead and move on. Oh, pay attention. Good job last second. Found that escape path. Got himself out of there. Whoa, we're off-road already. So this person right here found that escape path. We're looking left. We're looking right. He's going to look left for a quick second. Remember, we have a stop sign. That's where the stop sign is. You just don't go because the other people did. That person decided to stop. But he did find that escape path. Got himself out of there. His buddy behind him is looking at him like a weirdo. And we now checking our pants. That's a great... Is that a Bonneville bobber? Looks beautiful.